So next I'd like to ask you about mitochondria. They're kind of the furnace or the energy source of a cell, but they didn't start off. They weren't in every cell until something happened in evolutionary history. They were originally other kinds of cells or bacteria or something, is that right?
They originated from a bacteria.
Really? So our cells have essentially bacteria that have taken up residence and work as furnaces, or?
Yes, and they became mitochondria.
Uh-huh. So that must have been quite a transition. Did they find a happy home in our cells where they could survive well and get constant food and provide for us? Is that how it works?
But it was a symbiosis, where
symbiosis
where both cells benefit.
So it benefits our cells and it benefits the mitochondria. So a good deal for everybody. And that plus a few billion years makes them so they can't get along without each other.
Exactly.
We can't get along without mitochondria, right?
No, no, we cannot survive.
And they can't get along without us.
No.
The mitochondria seem to have special mechanisms for processing things that our cells didn't have before we got mitochondria.
That is true. But for example, most has been a way for those cells that do not have a mitochondria, some bacteria, to survive,
energy
right?
somehow, right.
And they also have these rotary ATPases that make ATP.
So rotary ATPases might have come before mitochondria?
Yes, they were in bacteria, they are in bacteria, but they didn't have, because these bacteria don't have mitochondria, they are at the plasma membrane of the bacteria. Then they're making ATP there.
I see.
And then the mitochondria came, and now we have a place inside the cells that compartmentalizes, is specialized to make energy. And that's the mitochondria.
So in the process of making energy, do they also make molecules that can damage us?
They could. If the electron transport system that being used later to make ATP through the membrane potential goes out of control, it could generate reactive oxygen species.
So what's a reactive oxygen species?
Our oxygen molecules are very reactive.
So thanks so much to Karlett for joining us for our Center for Evolution and Medicine interview today. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
Great.